Got some flash flooding going on right here. Let's go check out the other side. And to think people hide out in these washes sometimes. These two washes we affectionately refer to as the second and third wash. They're actually the same wash. About a quarter mile upstream, they split they form a Y, and they split. And then about a quarter mile downstream, they come back together down there. This land in the middle is an island. The tracks are built higher than the ground. They're up on their own levee, which significantly changes the flow of the water. These holes, as we call them, just where the ground collapses, are a result of what happens when you build a levee like that on the desert out here where it flash floods. The second wash. This is the first wash. It is the spillway built along beside the tracks. Not nearly as much water as in the other two washes. I'm not sure what kind of desert animal lays a clutch of eggs like this. Jeez, look at the number of them. These are all eggs in their bottom, in a wash bottom, right next to the highway. Something laid a lot of eggs. Spillway all cleared out by the water, cleaned out by the water.